Good morning students, how are you all? I hope all are fine. Today I am going to explain the meaning of the poem, chapter number 5, The Tiger. So you are thinking that why the spelling is changed, isn't it? Because of the ferociousness of the tiger, they have changed the spelling. The poet William Blake, he has changed the spelling. I wanted to do something extra or something strange. Okay, so he has changed the spelling of the tiger. Okay, a poem helps to appreciate language through a play of words. There are words that express emotions, feelings and thoughts briefly but with rhythm and music. Okay, the words are showing the emotions, feelings and thoughts but with the in the rhythm, okay, in the form of poem. Our teenagers will also learn to improve their communication skills by using the right tenses. So through this poem, it will help you to learn the tenses, how to use the tense in the present term or how to use in the past. Okay, so this will help to improve the tenses also in the grammar part. Okay, let us see the comic of the lesson. What is given in the lesson? See what I got for your birthday, a book of poetry. It has poems written by some of most famous poets of the world. Hey, who wants to read poetry? I have wanted a dress. Now you can recognize there is a mistake in the sentence. I have wanted a dress. Okay, so it is not a correct sentence. Okay, so what happens? The form of the verb is wrong and the tenses are not used properly. Okay, so there is a mistake in the sentence. True, you wouldn't understand poetry anyway. Your tenses are all wrong. Okay, though I will simply brush up tenses. Okay, so they are talking about each other, that simply we are discussing about the tenses, but we have to learn. Tenses tells us when an action takes place. Okay, they are showing us when the action is taken place. Tenses can broadly be divided into 3 time frames: the present, past and future. You know very well it is divided into 3 parts, that is present tense, past tense and future tense. Okay, so let us see let's go to the poem. Now take out your books, you also take out your books and take out page number 60 and 61. Okay, and do reading along with me. Okay, the tiger, India's national animal, has a powerful magnetism that has inspired many writers and poets. In his poem, The Tiger, the poet William Blake marvels at the divine power of a god that could create a being as strong, majestic and ferocious as the tiger. So, you know very well the tiger is our national animal. Okay, it is very powerful creation of the god, isn't it? You know very well how the powerful the tiger is. Okay, so many poets have written poems on the tiger. So this poem is also written by the poet about the tiger. Okay, so it is a majestic creation of the god and it has a strong, majestic and ferocious. They has given the adjectives to the tiger. These are the qualities of the tiger. Okay, so you know very well there are 4 aliens. They are talking with each other. So Aphrodite told, a day in my life that shines so bright. Thank you, my friend, for being my guiding light. Aphrodite told, wow, you should like a poet. What rhyming words and intonation. Aphrodite, really poets are so marvelous. It's amazing how easily they create word pictures that fire up our imaginations. Aphrodite told, true, let's read the poem The Tiger, but the famous poet William Blake. Okay, they are talking with each other that he told one line that a day in my life and shines so bright. Thank you, my friend, for being my guiding light. So bright and light, rhyming words are used here in this line. So as I told, you are telling like a poet. You are using the lines in a rhyming scheme. Okay, so what a good rhyming word and intonation in the poem. So really poets are marvelous. They write the poems very well with their imagination. They are praising the poet. Okay, so as I told, yes, let's read the poem The Tiger by the famous poet William Blake. Now see, all of you read along with me. See the pronunciation of the words properly. Tiger, tiger, burning bright in the forest of the night. What immortal hand or eye could frame thy fearful symmetry? Now he is telling that tiger is a burning, brightness is there in the forest at the night time. Okay, because of his personality, his fearfulness, it is looking like a light in the forest at night time. Okay, what immortal hand or eye means the eternal hands with the help of when he runs could frame the beautiful symmetry, means what is the uniformity in his movements. Okay, so he is very uniform and immortal animal. In what distant keep deeps or skies burn the fire of thine eyes? On what wings dare he aspire? What the hand dare seize the fire? Okay, so you know very well the tiger is very famous for the jumping or taking jumping and for running. Okay, so he can jump and take the dive from the long distance. Okay, and their eyes are looking like a burning fire. And what he wings dare is fire, means whatever he want, whatever his aim when he hunt the animal. So the hand dares seize the fire. He can take his hunt from the fire also. So he is very ambitious animal. Whatever he wants, he used to take from his willingness. Okay, and fast. And what shoulder and what art could twist the sinews of the heart, and when thy heart began to beat, what dread hand and what dread feet? And when he runs, so when he take the turn, so what his shoulders is, what a art, it's looking like that painter has done some paint. The sinews of the heart means the small muscles and tissues in the body, they twist. Okay, they take the turn, and their heart began to, when thy heart began to beat, the dread hand and what dread feet. Okay, so when we see his hands or feet, how he jumps, how he runs, our heartbeats began to fast when we really, if we see the tiger in our life. Okay, when the hammer, what the chain, in what furnace was thy brain, what the anvil, what dread grasp, dares deadly terrors clasp. Okay, so what the hammer, what the chain means when he jump, when he attack on his hunt, so his brain works very quickly. Okay, so his brain works quickly and he gets success to take his hunt. Okay, and what the animal, what the grasp means, his grasping power is very good, and he dare to terror clasp, is not afraid of anything, and without any sacredness he is doing hunting and getting success in the to grasp the hunt. When the stars threw down their spears and watered heaven with their tears, did he smile his work to see? Did he who made the lamb make to thee? So he is telling that when the God has made him, the water would heaven with their tears. So he is telling that is we can't when he see his creation, he also his also tears comes out, because he is not smiling from his work. Okay, and he who made the lamb make thee, a God which has made lion, a strong magnetism and majestic animal like tiger, also the lamb which is very soft and covered and small soft animal like lamb. It is a God who create different types of animals in the world, and we are just must be grateful to the God. Okay, so tiger, tiger burning bright in the forest of the night, what important hand or eye dare frame the fearful symmetry. Okay, so poet wants to praise the quality of the tiger, its qualities, properties, and what type of animal it is. So poet wants to praise God also, who has made the tiger very strong and majestic animal, and what is the how great creation of the God he is. Okay, thank you.